Hey y'all, my name is James Oliver, and I'm usually the guy that's behind the scenes editing Dr. Wyatt's lecture videos and taking care of his computer and things like that. But today I wanted to make this video to invite you guys that are orthodontists to his new channel that I've created that's specifically for orthodontic videos. All of his different lectures. We're probably going to reuse some things from this channel, but we're also going to make some new videos specifically for that channel that are more lecture style to help you learn more about what you'd like to do. So here is the link right up above my head, and I'm also going to put it down in the description so you can click on that and go over there to that channel. It would help him out greatly if you would go to that channel and like some videos, subscribe to that channel to help it grow, and we would love it if you would participate by putting comments and things of that nature on that channel to just help it to start to grow and make the algorithms of YouTube see that he's doing great things to help out orthodontists around the world, y'all. We appreciate everything that you do, and thank you very much.